Our gut is home to one of the most complex and diverse ecosystems on Earth. To give you an idea of the scale of this, if this one grain of rice represents the world's entire population of 8 billion people, everyone, everywhere alive right now, then this is how many grains of rice we would need to represent the amount of microbes in our gut. That's right, in our gut alone, we have more than 5,000 times more microbes than there are people who are alive on the Earth today. 5,000 times 8 billion, that's around 40 trillion microbes in our gut. In fact, we actually have more microbes in our gut than we have human cells in our entire body. Leaving the question, what are we really? Gut health is one of the most critical yet often overlooked aspects of our health. When we talk about gut health, we're generally referring to our microbiome, which is a community of organisms that live in our large intestine. And of course, our digestive system, it's important for digesting our food, but it's also so much more than that. The health of our gut is interconnected with the health of our entire body and affects almost all other aspects of our health. From our immunity to our risk of diabetes, heart disease, certain cancers, our sleep, our hormonal health, and even may potentially have an impact on our mental health. There's almost no aspect of our bodies that is not affected by the health of our gut. Honestly, our gut health is absolutely insane. Here are some more incredible facts about our gut. Did you know there are way more microbes in our gut than there are stars in our entire galaxy? In the Milky Way, we have approximately 100 billion stars. In our gut, we have 400 times more microbes than there are stars in the entire galaxy. And our gut can house over 1,000 different species of microbes, just like a diverse tropical rainforest. At least 70% of our immune system lives in our gut. So our gut health has an important impact on our immune function. The bacteria in our gut, being so numerous, can weigh up to 2 kilograms in total. That's more than the weight of our entire brain. Our gut is also directly connected to our brain, and they're constantly communicating together. So our gut health may even play a role in our mental health. Now that you know some of these incredible, mind-blowing facts, let's learn a bit more about what gut health is and how it works. Our bodies have evolved an intimate symbiotic relationship with the microbial communities that live inside us. These microbes help us break down and digest food and synthesize compounds that are essential for our health and survival. But that's not all. They also play an important role in developing and maintaining our immune system. Because of the incredible way our intestines are designed, they have a huge amount of surface area. If you were to stretch them out completely, they would cover more area than an entire tennis court. And incredibly, this huge area is only 1 cell layer thick. So it's important that we focus on having good gut health to maintain a good, strong barrier between us and the outside world. Yes, even deep down inside your gut, it's still technically considered the outside world. Imagine your microbiome like an incredibly diverse and lush tropical rainforest with many different species filling the different ecological niches. There's big trees growing up that are providing shelter for younger ones. Old trees break down and provide nutrients for mushrooms and fungus, which provide nutrients for insects, which provide food for birds and larger animals. It's an incredibly interconnected and diverse ecosystem where each different part plays an incredibly important role. In nature, a diverse ecosystem is a healthy one, and it's exactly the same when it comes to our gut and our microbiome. We want an incredibly diverse and healthy ecosystem that's resilient and responsive to disease and imbalance. To give some perspective using our analogy from before, imagine people come in, they burn down the entire forest and replant it with just palm oil trees. Now in this ecosystem, there's almost no diversity. If one of those trees gets a disease, it can spread through them and the whole ecosystem could die. Diversity isn't just a key for our own health and our gut health. It's also the key for the health of our planet. Another incredibly fascinating aspect of our gut health is what is known as the gut-brain axis, which is this connection between our gut and our brain. There's a nerve called the vagus nerve, which essentially connects our bodies and our minds. It connects our brain to our heart and to our gut. And our gut is constantly communicating with our brain through neurotransmitters, hormones, and immune system signaling. This means that the state of our gut can directly impact what's going on in our brain and vice versa. Imagine a time that you had to do something scary. Maybe you were giving a speech in class, maybe you were going for a job interview, maybe you're about to jump out of a plane and do a skydive. That feeling of butterflies in your stomach before you do something like that is a direct example of our gut-brain connection at play. So now that you understand a bit about the amazing world of gut health, here are some things that you can start doing today to improve your gut health and bring some more diversity and resilience into your gut ecosystem. Eat a diverse range of whole plant foods such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains. These foods contain prebiotic fiber, which feed the beneficial microbes in our gut, building a thriving ecosystem in your gut. Studies show that people eating 30 different unique plant foods per week have the best gut health and experience the most benefits that come along with it. Incorporate some naturally fermented probiotic foods into your diet. Things like yogurt, kefir, kombucha, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso. Naturally fermented foods are rich in beneficial bacteria that may be able to find a home inside us, helping to increase the diversity of our microbiome and reduce inflammation in our bodies, helping us to feel our best. Stay hydrated. Making sure that you have enough water promotes just generally good digestion, keeping everything moving and healthy, which helps to maintain a healthy microbiome. Managing stress. Because of this deep interconnection between our gut and our mind, if our mind is stressed, it can impact our gut as well. Remember that feeling of butterflies in the stomach again? But if we're experiencing chronic, ongoing stress every day of our lives, it can start to cause trouble in our gut. So make sure you're taking some time each day to slow down and de-stress in a way that works and feels good for you. So gut health is an incredibly fascinating topic that has a profound impact on our overall well-being. By making simple changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can harness the power of your microbiome and get it working for you to improve your health, help boost your energy, and just help you to genuinely feel your best as you navigate this journey of life. It's time to give these trillions of tiny helpers inside you the attention that they deserve, because at the end of the day, there's more of them than there are of ourselves, so you better look after them. This video is part of a series on gut health on this channel. If you enjoyed it, click subscribe next to that like button for more videos about the amazing world of gut health. And if you enjoyed this video but you're worried about whether chemicals or pesticides in your food are negatively impacting your gut health, then you need to watch this video where I'll help you decide whether you should buy organic food or not. Na, na, na. Ooh, another one. Can't get a break in our mental health. Come on.